Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So today I want to tell you another anglicism. That is a French word that come from English words that became French word. So today I'm explaining to you the word deadline. Deadline. The deadline is the limit date. So when you are working inside a company, you will often have a deadline. The deadline means, oh, you need to finish before next Monday, or you will need to finish, you have only 1 week, or 2 days, or 1 month. This is a deadline. Donc il faut travailler très vite. And that's something that I hate. When you are in a company, some jobs you can find a lot, you can get a lot of pressure because you have to respect the deadline. That's especially true for the jobs in France that we call profession libérale. Profession libérale, they are the workers that work for themselves. They are not employees. They are profession libérale, so there is very little limitation. They can work many hours and they will have the deadline. For instance, lawyer, avocat. I have a friend who works at a lawyer and sometimes he tells me, I cannot sleep the whole night because j'ai une deadline, je ne peux pas dormir toute la nuit, je ne peux pas dormir, j'ai une deadline, je dois rendre le dossier le lendemain. I need to give back the file in the next day. So that can be very stressful. When I was working in Paris, I also had the deadline for some customers, and that was very stressful. I hated it. I think on the contrary, it's better to go slow, be slow, and of course the competition, when you compete with others. The speed is what would make the difference. You are the first to sell the product. You are the first to produce this. The speed is what makes the difference. And by the way, there are many companies these days in France. They don't want to buy made in China product anymore because China is so far away and sometimes they cannot respect the deadline. So they say sometimes it's better to ask some companies in Eastern Europe where it will be faster and you have less, you know for sure that you will be delivered on time. There is no deadline. And this summer, there was a big scandal in France for the 14 juillet, la fête nationale, for the national day, because the fireworks, they all come from China, and many places they didn't have their firework, and they say sorry, because China didn't send it to us on time, and the deadline, they could not have these fireworks on the national day. So that's always the same. But the problem is they want to cut the cost on one side, and on the other side they still want everything to be on time, and they still want the quality. So of course, at some point it doesn't work out. Donc la deadline. In French language, how do we say deadline? We say la date limite. La date limite. So people will still say la date limite, but then many people will use the deadline. In the administration, you say la date limite de dépôt. It means the limit date when you can give the file, la date limite de dépôt. La date limite d'inscription, the limit date when you can subscribe to the university. Okay, la date limite. La date limite d'utilisation for a product is the limit date that you can consume the product. I can show you this on some packaging. We'll see this together. Okay, merci les amis. Au revoir.